Gateron North Poles. Semi-silent linear from Gateron. The semi-silent part coming from the unique silencing method in the switch. The silicone dampener is in the whole of the bottom housing, which is where the stem pole goes on the downstroke. Stock they were pretty smooth, only a little bit of spring ping. Lubing them certainly helped to get a bit smoother and have that dampened sound a bit more. Overall, the sound is a bit odd. The downstroke is silenced well with the dampener, so the only real sound is the upstroke. And with the housing being polycarbonate, the top out sound is a bit harsh and plasticky, and that's all you're getting. At 70 cents a switch, it's pretty reasonably priced. The spring has a bottom out of 65 grams, so I think it's in that sweet spot between lightness and not missing key presses all the time. Overall though, I give this switch 17 out of 30, so not